Well, as you can see, that was another ultralight one we've just seen this time anyway. But this time we've just seen another ultralight plane we've now seen this time anyway. So as you can see, this time that was the Skyranger Nynja 912S, I believe anyway. That was the Skyranger aircraft we've just seen this time anyway. But as you can tell, he's not on HXB though or nothing, but for some reason I did see it came on Plane Finder anyway, which obviously technically I did see it came on Plane Finder anyway, which as you can see he was flying just to around probably 11,000 feet, so I say they're probably to about 11,000 feet from here apparently, which as you can see that just took off from his base at Penport Airfield once again though. So yeah, looks like this is taken off from Penport Airfield once again apparently. Once again he's just taken off from Penport Airfield anyway. Well, roughly from the same spot anyway. Yeah, again compared to what we saw from the others anyway. So yeah, luckily compared to what we saw on other planes anyway. Because even like today we've only seen the C-42 FB100 Charlie today apparently, which obviously that's been coming here 3 times here apparently today, because which I've only saw that one came 3 times today apparently, which that only came for a fly pass 3 times in a row today apparently, which I don't know why, which obviously that came for a third fly pass anyway, which obviously that was flying over the distance it was anyway, as it was flying probably around there sort of way I think. So yeah, as you can see the registration is G-CMDV, it is, that's the registration anyway. So I just get a bit extracted by my dad anyway, but seems to get extracted in, so it looks like it seemed to get extracted by my dad anyway, but I don't know why, but it's probably thinking I was talking over the video. Seemed to get just distracted by him anyway, but it's just what I do sometimes anyway. But anyway, which things happen sometimes anyway. So yeah. So yeah, that was the Skyranger Nynja 912 that was just seen came over anyway, which that came for quite a low pass I say though. I would have to say though that came occasionally here just for a low pass anyway, almost a low pass I say though, probably just to around about 11,000 feet anyway. So yeah, hopefully it should be going back to his base at Penport Airfield very soon hopefully, which hopefully he should be heading back there hopefully very soon though. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, bye bye.